Hello everyone, my name is Kavya Vidyadhar Hamparnavar. I am from Electronics and Communication Department. My topic is life saving watch. So we'll go to next slide. So nowadays, on growing prospect board, accidents are increasing in an n number. This happens due to a delay of vehicles, ambulance. There would be a negligence of people's and hospitals. It is a type of a life smartwatch which will be having motherboard access in it. Our mobile, which is linked with the Aadhaar card, will be updated in this smartwatch. In case person meets with an accident, this gives a call to the nearby hospitals and relatives or friends in which our mobile has a daily recent calls list, and it gives call up to 5 to 10 members from recent call list and hospital members, where they would come quickly without any delay. That will save a life. Conclusion: throughout all this, I can conclude that saving life is the most precious on this earth. Next slide. So this is the watch. Thank you.